Okay na? Sold? Alright, thank you. So, saan tayo ngayon?
Check-in.
Okay, balik tayo sa check-in ngayon. Kasi, we have to get our boarding pass. Kano yung nabot? 42%. Malakas ang kickback nito eh. Ginagaya si Nika, malakas yung kickback. Defensive. Okay, so back to check-in. Nga pala, hello to the Ward subscribers kay Tupet25. Yeah, this is my travel companion. And to Nathan Season, to... Ayun pala yung airplane. To Pulgo. To the Princess of Davao City. Claire. Go po. Claire. And to... Sino ba? To yun lang so far. Okay, we're off to check-in. Okay, so Kenneth, yeah. Yun. So you're seated window seat, di ba?
Yeah. Left side.
Left side, I think. A and B, 20. There you go.
Sir, you'll be seated at row 28. A and B window and middle seat. Boarding time 8:40 and please one not two. Then at the back of the boarding pass, sir, please come to luggage terminal.
Alright, all set, thank you. Alright, thank you. Okay, we're off to the gate. Yay! Huh? Airport fee is 750 as of February. Terminal fee. 750. Hooray, have a nice day. Yeah, very nice one. Thank you. Apa? Okay, we're off to immigration. There you go. So dati walang tao sa immigration, ngayon marami ng tao. Wala ka na ba?
Should we ask more?
Hindi. Wala. Kaya talaga yun. Alam mo naman yung pagpasabi mo mawala. Hindi mawala sa paningin mo. Okay, so we're off to another security check. Ano sabi? Yay, na-stamp na passport ni Ken. Ayan, so kaming dalawa. May si Kuya. Yun, so you'll be asked to remove what? Stuff. Yan. So lahat, yung mga wallet mo lalagay mo sa tray. Yan, i-drop ko na yan.
Inom na ako.
Oh, strictly stuff. No. Yes. So we just made it past through security. And yun. Siyempre kailangan natin i-shut down yung... Ooh, somebody texted me. Kaya to. Kailangan i-shut down yung camera kasi dadaan sa security, sa x-ray. Okay, I have 2 messages. Happy trip. Yeah? Okay. Okay, so far ito yung sa loob. Right after security, ito yung nasa loob. So they have cafes and yung iba, wait lang, may nag-text kasi nag-happy trip. Yung iba wala pa masyadong shops. Yun. Ha?
Airplane.
Nakakita raw ng barko si Ken. Asan yung plane mo? Where? There. Where? I don't see any plane.
All remaining passengers for 5J288 bound for Gatow. This is your final call to board the aircraft.
You want to go to China?
In Davao Pacific Air, thank you for flying with us and wish you a pleasant flight.
Tara, ikot tayo. Ikot. Diretso. Ikot tayo sa may airplane. Ano na? So, an hour more to go.
Again, all remaining passengers for flight
Yes, mamaya.
288 bound for Guangzhou. This is your final call to board the aircraft now through gate 112. All aboard, please.
What's the view? Not so many planes. Every plane is on schedule. Like, wee, daw sabi ni Ken. Wee. It just took off. Okay, we're here at the waiting area, gate 112. And our plane is not yet here. So we'll just go around, show you the airport na ER3, kung ano meron dito. Tara.
Passengers on this flight will disembark through Bay 123.
Tell me what's happening, Ken.
Transfer daw ng gate.
Okay, this is what Cebu Pacific's known for. Yeah, transfer ng gate. So you can see the commotion behind my back. Yan, lipat na naman sila ng gate. Uh-oh.
Please be informed that as security informed all guests will have access to another security check before entering the order to. Please be with us.
Okay, so move ulit sila.
Your attention please for the information of Cebu Pacific passengers bound for Cebu on flight 5J577. Your flight will be further delayed due to the general aircraft. Your new estimated time
Ken.
departure will be at 8:40.
So, this can happen to us.
We will request all Cebu bound passengers on the late flight 5J577 to please
Oh, there you
remain
are.
at 119 with your further announcement.
Ganyan ka na kayo sa sakit.
Oo. Pulilit plane.
You wanna take a closer?
Huh?
We have just been advised by local authorities.
Ken wants to take a closer look.
Flight 5J803 will have to transfer to another gate. We shall now be using gate 113. We would like to request all guests to form a single line out of this gate. One of our agents will lead your way to gate 113.
Delayed daw lahat ng flight. For God's sake. I'm getting bored.
Yeah, well, he's expecting masaya yung airport ng NAIA 3, but uh-oh, delays. So this gate is supposed to be our gate, but then nag-switch, naglagay ang Shanghai, dito nilipat. And then, ano ngayon? Hindi pa nakakalis ng Shanghai. Yay, Cebu Pacific. Go. Yun, so Bangkok namin delayed, and he's hungry, I'm hungry. Yun.
Tayo?
Kain tayo. Saan tayo kakain?
Pagkatanggal ng stress.
What's stress?
Stress?
Ito, European. Stress tablets. Yan. Delayed yung flight natin. Delayed na. Ayun. Anyway, ito si Rowena. Pag nakikita niyo sa NAIA, hanapin na sa Rowena. Alam ko ba check-in counter ka? Ay, gusto niya mag-steward siya. Kulang mo siya sa height. So, yeah, kulang. Hindi,
Bata pa siya.
Oo, bata pa.
Kumain ka na marami.
Oo, sabi ko sa'yo, hindi siya kumakain. Kumain na maraming noodles. Yeah.
Para makapag...
Ang ulap, ang langit. Anyway, ayan, so habang naghihintay kami ng aming flight, nililibang kami ni Rowena and her friend. What's her name? Si? Sarah. You'll see Sarah and Rowena sa NAIA 3. Yan, staff ng Cebu Pacific. Masya, kakain muna kami.
Sige,
Bye-bye.
So there. Walang makita.
Ha?
Wala gano'ng makita. So, parang
Wala.
medyo boring.
Oo nga. Medyo boring daw, sabi ni Ken. Wait till he gets to Bangkok. So, ngayon medyo wala pa gaanong stores. They're not much. Yeah. So, maybe someday soon. Oh look, what time is our flight leaving?
Huh?
So our flight is delayed and it has been moved from 9:10 to 10:40. Wow. Okay, ito si Ken. Tignan niyo. Nababato. Bored to death. Yan. Delayed ang aming flight. So, ha?
1 hour delay.
Ito ang ginagawa mo ngayon.
Nakikinig ng poker face.
Saan? Poker face. Poker face. Yun. So, wala. Para kami nasa mall. Walang magawa. Dota na lang ako. Mamatay yung oras. Yan.